Hello viewers, welcome to part 3 of React JS. As a pre-context, I am saying that I am not going deeply into the topic. I am just briefly introducing the topic. You can take it as a quick revision for you, and you can consider it as a mind map for you. As a prerequisite, we can say you need to have the fundamentals of JavaScript and some core concepts of JavaScript. Then only we can understand this some concepts in React.js, and you can understand the working of this React.js. So we will see some concepts like framework. So framework is nothing but once we use the framework, we can use their ready-made services. We can simply say they are ready. There are some services or functions in framework which can be used by developers, and their efforts are really less. Can say they are ready to use. They are ready to use service in which developers efforts are very less. We can say in which developers efforts are very less. That means there will be predefined some functions, logics, everything will be there. Once developer get into it, he can simply use the services, and he can rapidly develop the applications. After frameworks, we have some concepts about styling the React component. Styling the React component. Once, just like we have some ways of styling our CSS, that means styling the web page, we use CSS. We have some ways, that is inline style. Then we have internal style. Internal style. Then we have external style, and we have CSS modules. Then we have CSS framework. It is nothing but bootstrap. So in this inline style is just we will write within the tags. Internal style is nothing but we will write a variable. In that variable we will write the entire styles. After that we will include the variable in the tags, just like how the inline style. External styles, we already know about that. We will just import the styles. Just we will write in another file, we will import the file. Then we have CSS modules. CSS modules are nothing but when we have same styles, when we want to apply two styles for the same elements, that means we have buttons, two buttons in our web page. We need to apply one style on button 1 and apply style 2 for button 2. We can use the CSS modules. We can reduce a lot of confusion between these styles by using CSS modules. CSS frameworks are nothing but only bootstrap, because even if we are developing so many styles, whatever styles we may declare, but the predefined styles in bootstrap are really helpful. Developers and so many what you can say so many code beginners, that means early developers, junior developers mostly, they can develop rapidly good applications, they can develop good applications rapidly. And after that, we have some concepts like debugging. uh, Debugging is nothing but we will analyze the code. So first of all I will write it. Debugging, it is nothing but uh, while developing our code, or while after developing our code, uh, we will analyze the problems and we will fix the problem. As a good definition I will write, it is nothing but process of identifying, analyzing, fixing, we can say we will identify, analyze and fix the problem uh, during development to deliver a good product. Product is nothing but the end user application only. This is about debugging. After that we have some terms like error, and we have bug as well. uh, when it comes to error, it will stops the program execution. That means it will halts the execution. Bug is nothing but you can say it is a fault in the code. You can say fault in the working code. Error is nothing but there may be syntax error, uh, there may be compile time error, runtime error, so like this so many errors are there. But bug is nothing but it is a logical one. That means everything is good, the syntax is good, the whatever we write, the program flow, everything is good. But if our desired output won't comes, then we can say it is a bug in the code. And after that we have testing just like the debugging is nothing but before testing, debugging will be done uh, to analyze and fix the problems. Testing is nothing but after completing everything, we will see that whether after debugging also whether it contains any logical issues or bugs. uh, we can say like so I will write it to make sure that the delivered product, we can say to make the product uh, has no errors or problems. We can say like that the whatever end product we are delivering for the users, it should not contain any errors or problems. For this only we will do the testing. We have types of testing. These types of testing, we have black box testing, then we have white box testing, then we have alpha testing, then we have beta testing. We will see all of them. Debugging, after debugging only we will test the main delivered product. And testing is another layer of mostly like debugging, because we need to deliver a product for the users. So it is just like that. Black box testing is nothing but in this no code will be visible for the testers. Whereas in white box testing, the entire code will be visible for the testers. And alpha testing is nothing but the testing will be done by the team. That means who are the developers developed the product, they will do the alpha testing. Beta testing is nothing but nobody in the developing team should do the testing. External people will do the beta testing. So this is about in this part we have seen some concepts like framework, debugging, testing, styling the React component. So this is the end of part 3. We will see you more in part 4. Thank you.